episode where today we are stepping into something deep, something paradigm shifting. I'm not here to teach you another strategy, another manifestation hack, or another mindset reframe. I'm here to remind you of something you already know, something your soul has been whispering to you since the moment you chose this incarnation. And that is that you were never meant to struggle for abundance. You were never meant to prove your worth to receive, and you were never meant to earn your place at the table of infinite wealth. That entire construct is a distortion, an illusion implanted into the collective field, passed down through generations, reinforced by the matrix, and deeply embedded into your subconscious. But today we are unplugging from that programming. So let's begin with this truth. You are limitless. You are a multidimensional being with access to infinite wealth, divine resources, and supernatural expansion. The codes of abundance are not outside of you. They are written into your very being. But somewhere along the way, you inherited beliefs and imprints that told you otherwise. You were taught that wealth had to be worked for instead of aligned with, that receiving required proving instead of allowing, that your abundance had to be earned instead of activated. And so you unconsciously placed ceilings on what you thought you were allowed to have. You agreed to the matrix version of wealth instead of remembering the quantum truth that you are abundance, that money is a spirit that desires to co-create with you, and that your energy is the portal through which miracles are made manifest. So I ask you now, where are you still playing by the matrix rules? Where are you still negotiating your worth with the universe? And where are you still asking for permission instead of commanding your reality? So let's take a breath and drop in and ask the spirit of money. Call her forward right now. Spirit of money, show me where I have been rejecting you. Show me the lies I have bought and sold to myself about wealth. Show me where I have agreed to limitation so that we can move through this and shift this and clear this now. So take another breath. Because the second you become aware of these distortions, you're reclaiming your power. And from this space, we're going to collapse the illusion of financial limitation and activate your divine inheritance. So let's do this together. Spirit of money, merge with my energy field now. Say it, repeat after me. Spirit of money, merge with my energy field now. Fill every cell of my being with your golden frequency, with currency. Open my wealth portals, clear my receiving channels, and align me with the highest streams of abundance available to me right now. Spirit of money, increase my financial magnetism times 10,000 and show me the truth of my limitless wealth. Ooh, take a breath and feel the shift. This is your true nature. Not scarcity, not struggle, not waiting for proof. You are sovereign. You're a divine creator here to expand the world through your abundance, not shrink yourself to fit inside its limitations. And the moment you decide that wealth is already yours, it is done. Let this truth land. Let it anchor into your field. Let it rewire the codes of your existence. Because this isn't just a podcast, this is a portal. And the version of you who knows she is infinitely wealthy is already walking through right now. Now, if this transmission activated something within you, I want to hear about it. Let me know. I'm going to pop my links below. Feel free to send me a DM, share your biggest shift, or tag me on Instagram. And if you're ready to go even deeper into this work to fully rewire your wealth frequency, unplug from the scarcity matrix, from that lack matrix, and embody limitless receiving, then reach out to me. Okay? Because your wealth is waiting, your legacy is calling. Are you ready to claim it? Are you ready to be the man or the woman who is ready to claim this right now? If so, let's go. And I will see you on the next episode. And I'm sending you so much love.